Hello everyone, this is Lohita. So our topic for today is how to become an HR intern in inSAKE Solutions. So to become an HR intern in inSAKE Solutions, first thing is that you have to be present for 2 months. The internship will be of 2 months, that is 60 days. And then the intern should complete all the tasks which are allotted to them and also provide suitable suggestions to improve HR policies as well. And some of the qualifications which are required, like BBA or MBA degree in human resource or in any other field. And they should be good at communication skills in Excel, in using Word as well. And we have to post updates about the jobs on online platforms or any other job sites, and you have to keep a track of the interns given to you who are kept under you and monitor their daily tasks and work. And once the task is completed, further you have to proceed with the certificates and letter of recommendation.